is the first floor.
Yes.
Oh, you can head on up.
Okay.
We are here at the brand new Karol Hotel here in St. Pete, Clearwater. And look at this. Got some brand new Schindlers here. Unfortunately, still 3,300, but these do look really nice. Anyway, here we go. 8. R is locked right now. These are nice, but these go a bit slow for the amount of floors. They should have installed 5,500 here, but this is still cool though. The cab walls are commonly seen on this kind of elevator, but I love the flooring though. G. Get a view going down. Again, really nice new Schindlers. I believe this hotel opened about a year ago. Like I said, this is a Starwood Tribute portfolio property. There are your buttons, FIGS fixtures. Here we are on G. And we'll go back up to 8. Princess K Hotel, that's what it says on the certificate. But according to Google, as well as what it says outside, this is the Karol. I love the motor noise. Alright, G. Alright, let's listen. Very, very smooth. Alright, we'll go up to the top one more time. And this time we will get out and get a thorough look at a hallway. The other elevator right beside this one appears to be in use, so I wonder if we'll hear the motor once we get up. Again, super smooth. Bravo to Schindler for making great MRLs. That's the interlock. Alright, let's get off here. I want to get a view. Here's a look at the hallway. I love this carpet. Beautiful carpet. There's a look at some of the guest room doors. I unfortunately don't think we can get a view, but... I believe the service elevator's right here, but it's locked. Very nice property. All right, we're gonna head back down. You got a really nice sitting area up here so you can wait in style before your elevator comes. Hello. All right. And that one's going down, so we're probably gonna get the one we were just on. I love the paneling on the doors. That one's going down, so I guess it's gonna be this one. Actually, no, that's on G. Well, while we wait, I guess we'll just sit here and enjoy the comfort. That one's going up. That one stopped, so I'm guessing it's gonna be this one. Yep, I think it's gonna be this one. And we'll end on G. I love those chimes. This paneling is rather cheap, though. Yeah. Still, these are nice, and in terms of the equipment, they are great. But at the same time, yeah, that's kind of sad. Anyways, we're on G now, so we're gonna get off. We'll get off here. And anyway, there it goes. Look at these chandeliers, they're really pretty. And that's gonna be it.